Everyone, this is KGVL Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad ko natin yung reaction video. Itong Don Bell and SB19 Philip live question and answers from the press. Close up, moving closer. Bel Mariano and Donnie Pangilinan. So I want to take no longer. I'm really excited to watch this kasi kahapon nang gumawa ako ng reaction video, mga nagre-request na gawan ko daw ng vlog. So without further ado, let's start this video. GGG.
Ating amazing and multi-talented performer, si Felipe on stage!
Philip. SB19 Philip for today's video. Asa na? Uy, grabe ang
Felipe and Don Bell!
grabe yung music video nila at nagulat ako kay Barbie Fortesa and David Licauco. Biglang lumabas.
Don Bell and Felipe. Okay, so kung kanina pinakilig tayo ni Felipe and Don Bell with their amazing smile, ngayon mas kikiligin pa tayo sa kanila because we are going to get up close and personal with them. And with that, we now open the floor to our media friends na nandito po ngayon. Alright. So, have a seat sa ating ambassadors. Madam Bell, po tayo. Okay.
Ba't madam? Bakit madam ang humble naman nun?
So, ngayon dito tayo sa ating media friends. Alright. Our first question is from our friends from Tribune.
Tribune,
po si
ito.
Sir PJ.
Gusto ko ito mabasa.
Sir PJ, kamusta po kayo, Sir PJ? Where is Sir PJ?
Sir PG, go. Ay, akala ko si Philip. Ang gwapo ni Philip. Ay,
Hola.
ang taray. Malakas pa yung sound. Feeling ko malakas naman, diba?
Okay. Okay. Hi. Ayun. Okay.
So, first of all, congratulations.
Ay, bongga naman.
Thank you so much sa lahat ng ating fans. Mag-Q&A muna tayo. Okay, madam.
Okay, so first of all, congratulations kay Felipe, of course, kay Donnie and Belle. Congratulations for moving closer. Okay, so first and foremost, my question is, tell us about your partner, Donnie and Belle. Is he or she more of intense red or fresh green kind of person?
Ay,
For context, Sir Felipe, kasi sa close-up, yung intense red, yun daw yung talagang all-out magmahal. Tapos
Oh.
yung parang chill lang, cool lang. So ano daw yung XP mo with Don Bell? Ano kaya yung nakikita mo? Is it intense red or cool green?
ayan.
Tama po?
My question is for Don Bell and also
For Don Bell, okay. For Don
For Don Bell pala. For Don Bell. Okay. Mhm.
Intense
Intense
red
red
Or
or
cool green.
cool green.
Yes.
Sa tingin mo, sakto sa suit natin?
Parang
Hindi mo kaya.
both, yeah. So bakit naging both?
Mix ng, minsan kailangan,
Being intense and cool at the same time.
oo, gano'n.
Yeah.
Oh.
Diba?
Dapat may qualities ka ng both.
Okay.
Go. Kung gusto mo yan, go.
Is that true?
Sa napansin ko sa kanila.
Cute ni Philip.
Pag ako kasi, chill lang ako eh. So, I think, cool.
Chill lang.
Cool green. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Alright, thank you so much, madam. Thank you so much, PJ. And now let's hear it from our friend from ABS-CBN. Nandito po si Sir Josh.
Sir Josh.
Sir Josh?
Hi.
Okay, hi Sir Josh!
Good afternoon. Question for Don Bell. This is not your first partnership with Close Up. What
Oh,
keeps the
nagawan ko yung, may isa silang kanta, Closer You and I ba yun?
Collaborating.
Closer You and I ata yun eh.
couple of projects na with close up, even projects abroad, di ba? I think what we love about the brand is that they always find ways to come up with something new. Like itong ginawa naming music video na to. First time natin gumawa ng music video na, na may choices. Tapos di mo alam kung ano mangyayari.
Yes.
Diba? Parang yung audience yung pipili ng next na setup. So, what we love about this partnership, it's always fresh. There's always something new that it has to offer. And we just love the team as well.
Yeah, and for me, I think it's really important that we both endorse a brand we believe in. And me talaga growing up, I really used to use Close Up, and I'm so happy to be able to be part of their family, of course. And closer to everyone here, so yeah.
Talino siya talaga magsagot. Nakakainis pang Miss Universe. May ads pa talaga. Pang Miss Universe talagang sagutan ni Bel Mariano, no? O, diba?
Thank you, Sir Josh. Okay, sino po ang may questions for our ambassadors? Andyan po ang ating microphone, I think.
At bakit na humina ang internet natin for today's video?
We have our friend from Inquirer. Nasaan po si Miss Jessica? Hi, Miss Jessica.
Hi, first of all po, congratulations po to the three of you. My question po for Don Bell.
The Bel.
What's the difference po between filming a music video and filming
A series.
scene in a movie po?
Oh, yes. I just wanna know that.
Ano?
Sige nga, Bel.
Parang almost the same, no?
Siguro yung pace lang.
Ka ba?
Pace ng story. Kasi pag movie, di ba, mas longer. Pag music video, talagang every moment counts. Wow,
True.
closer.
Closer.
Yeah, I think that's the difference. But the emotions are there. Siyempre, it has to be authentic and raw.
Tsaka itong music video, parang walang dialogue eh. So you really have to express it through your actions and yung mga emotions na pinapakita. Unlike
Truths.
sa movie, di ba? Ang daming dialogue and you get to hear what the actors are saying. So, same but different.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Jessica. Now let's hear it from our friends from Manila Standard. We have Eccentric. Nasaan po? Ayun. Hello, madam.
Sorry, it's Angelica po. Hello po, from Manila Standard. Hi, Philip and Don Bell.
Hi, Philip.
Congratulations.
Gusto ko siya.
Question will be for Philip. Okay. Di ba, like, you did a cover for Warner Music's 30th anniversary of Moving Closer. Now that you're an ambassador, how does it feel?
Of course po, this is new to me. Pero
Kapo ni Philip.
yung jazz kasi na type na music is what I listen since I was a kid. So, ayun po, but I'm so, sobrang na-challenge ako kasi first time ko kasi maglabas ng ganitong type of music. Medyo may pagka-sexy siya na, na vibe. So, I just...
Sexy mo nga dun sa music video.
Bagay talaga siya.
Suffer.
Parating yung Valentine's Day, di ba? So, yeah, I just wanna thank, gusto ko rin pasalamatan yung Close Up for this song din. Binigyan nila ng bagong buhay yung nakaraang version ng Moving Closer. So, yeah.
Thank you, you did a great job.
Thank you. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Miss Angelica. Thank you so much. And now, si Eccentric. Nasaan po si Eccentric? I think may question po siya for our ambassadors.
Hello, congratulations for the three of you. So this question is for Philip. So this is your first work with Close Up and Don Bell. How was the experience?
Masaya po. Meeting din finally, especially si Belle. Kasi magkakilala na kami ni Donnie dati pa lang eh. So masaya ako and of course, andito rin yung mga fans ng Don Bell.
Gwapo ni Philip, nakakaloka.
Salamat po sa support nila. And malaki din po
Ang ganda ng
pasalamat
music
po
video nila, in
Don Bell
fairness.
for this event and especially for Close Up, for having me here to be part of the family. So I'm just so happy and yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you,
Mahiyain.
Eccentric. And
Mahihain pala talaga mahihain pala talaga si tawag dito, si Philip. At nag-lag talaga tayo for today's video.
our media friends who never fail to support us.
Parang kaboses ni AC Bonifacio yung yung host.
At sa Close Up Friends or fans. And hashtag Team Bahay na nanonood. Please don't forget to use our...
Diba? Wait lang, mag-change lang tayo ng internet kasi nainis. Ayan.
Hashtag choose fresh, choose Close Up. Hashtag moving closer. Hashtag Close Up.
Gwapo ni Donnie.
And hashtag Close Up.
Si Belle nakikinig. Grabe si Belle, tinanong niya pa. Grabe, parang ideal girl ko siya. Sa totoo lang, yung tipong simple lang talaga. Pero classy na may dating.
Handa na ba kayong kiligin for our final game?
Ano yung final game nila?
Okay, so sa final game natin, tatawagin natin tong Close Up Minded. So,
Close
invite
Up
natin ang
Minded.
ating ambassadors. Kayong tatlo ang maglalaro for today. Ang game natin ay close-up minded. So paano nga ba lalaruin tong game na to? Sobrang simple lang. Ang kailangan lang gawin ng partners, ipasok natin yung makaka-partner ng ating mga ambassadors.
Okay.
Go to your partners. Sige, sino yung partner nila? Lapitan nyo na yung mga partners nyo. Alright. Okay, so ito ang pair 1, pair 2, and pair 3. So guys, makinig, napakadali lang ng gagawin natin. So, kayong mag-partners ay magtatalikuran. So, sample natin, magkatalikod kayo.
Yeah.
Magkatalikod kayo. Tapos, magsasabi lang ako ng category. Pag sinabi kong 1, 2, 3, go, haharap kayo sa kapartner nyo, tapos sasagutin nyo kung ano yung on top of your mind. Wow. ako
On
yung
top of your mind.
Example lang. Okay. Start tayo dito. Sample pa lang to. Magbigay ng love language.
Ano yun? Ano yun?
Love language.
Ano yun?
Anong love
So,
Cute ni Philip.
lahat kami sasagot same
Ni
time.
Philip.
Isa-isa.
Isa-isa.
Okay. So kayo muna ate ha. Kunwari, magbigay ng love language in 1, 2, 3, go!
Go.
Physical touch. Tama. Sample. Physical
Sorry, dapat
touch.
marami sasabihin.
Sinample.
Oo, physical touch.
Ganon,
Okay.
Ganon. Oh, sample number 2 tayo.
okay.
Sample pa lang. Sample. Magbigay ng kulay sa rainbow in 1, 2, 3, go!
Red.
Ayan. Okay. Dito naman tayo. Sige. Magbigay ng number sa electric fan. 1, 2,
Bigay.
3, go!
Oh my God.
Ayan. Okay, so malinaw na po ang gagawin natin. For this game, elimination round tayo.
Mm.
So,
Elimination?
elimination sabi ni Direk. So, pag nagkamali, legwak na agad. Okay.
Ganun pa talaga dapat,
Are you
ma'am.
guys ready?
Isang buhay lang.
Oo.
Ang daya naman.
Pero kung lahat daw magaling, tuloy-tuloy lang ng tuloy-tuloy.
So kung lahat kami wala.
Sabi ng kasama ko, magaling daw siya eh.
Magaling daw siya. Ngayon, kapag lahat kayo wala, Miss Belle, uulit tayo hanggang sa may magkaroon ng champion. Okay.
Okay. Game.
Okay, umpisahan natin sa pair number 1, Sir Felipe. Are you ready? What's your name?
Ready na kami.
Dayan Camille.
Si Bea? Bian? Camille?
Dayan Camille.
Dayan Camille. Okay. Dayan and Felipe, talikuran tayo.
Okay.
Sabay kayo ha, magsasalita pag sinabi kong go ha. Okay. Magbigay ng kulay ng close-up. 1, 2, wala pa. Okay. Magbigay ng kulay ng close-up in 1, 2, 3, go!
Red.
Ay. Great mind thinks alike.
Pasok pa rin sila. Good
Great
job.
minds think alike.
Pasok pa rin si Sir Felipe. Okay.
Philip. Ganun pala yun. Philip kasi yung pronunciation ko dyan. Philip pala dapat. Philip.
Si Kazel. Okay. Belle and Kazel.
Hmm.
Okay, talikuran tayo.
Bubulong ko sa'yo.
Oo. Magbigay ng sahog sa halo-halo. Sahog sa halo-halo.
Ang hirap lang sa amin.
Nautusan lang ako. Okay.
Ang
Isip
hirap
kayo,
sumami.
magbigay ng sahog sa
Nautusan
halo-halo. In 1, 2, 3, go!
Lalagay ako.
Ano sabi mo?
Ube.
Ube.
Sabi ko ako, okay lang yan. Okay. So, tanggal na po sa round na to sila Belle. It's okay.
Tanggal na sila,
It's okay.
Belle?
Banding muna sila dyan. Okay.
Ang lungkot naman nun.
Dito tayo sa pair number 3.
Ang lungkot naman nun.
Sila 1v1. Okay. Donnie, sino po partner ni Donnie? Melissa. Melissa, okay. Melissa and Donnie. Makikita sa kusina. Mag-isip ng makikita sa kusina. 1, 2, 3, go!
Kuchilyo!
Mali din sila, Donnie. So, ang champion natin, Team
Sino Philip? Philip pala, hindi Philip. Philip. Ganun pala dapat yun. Totoo ba?
Congratulations sa lahat ng players natin!
Ay, ang swerte naman nun. Inakbayan si Inakbayan si ate girl.
Congratulations sa lahat ng naglaro. Alright. Let us all smile.
Ang swerte naman nun. Ko ang height ni Donnie.
Thank you so much to our players. Maraming salamat. Iba rin talaga yung challengers natin ngayon.
Mm-mm.
Hindi sila magpapatalo. Guys, palakpakan natin Don Bell, Felipe, and our
Felipe.
Gen Z.
Don Bell, Felipe.
Close Up Friends.
Okay.
Alright. And speaking of hindi magpapatalo, thank you so much sa ating players. Okay. Ito,
Okay.
dito tayo. Speaking of hindi papatalo, thank you so much, ate ko. Thank you so much. Okay. Panalong-panalo ang close-up friends natin na nag-register kanina. Sino yung mga nag-register dito? Ayun, ang dami nating nag-register. At nakakuha ng posters dahil we already have our winners. Ang mga winners natin ay magkakaroon ng chance to meet and greet our close-up ambassadors. Okay, our winner number 1, Generos Lakindanom.
Jenny Rose.
Hello, Generos. Congratulations. Si Generos ay Team Donnie. Team Donnie daw siya. Hi! Let's have a quick photo up with our
Sana all.
close-up ambassadors. Smile!
Sana all aakbayan. Swerte naman nila. Naakbayan sila, be.
Alright, thank you. Our next winner. Okay, our next winner is Alunan Junis Adrian.
Ay, sana all.
Where is
Ano ba? May ganap pa ba dito? Ay, wala nang ganap dito. Ano yun? Bakit may ganito? Nasingit sa vlog? Anyways, wala na. Wala nang ganap dito, dear. Anyways, there you go, guys. It is over for today's video, which is the Don Bell and SB19 Philip live Q&A from the press at close-up moving closer. Bell Mariano and Dodi Pangilinan. Of course, SB19 Philip. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!